Hello everyone, we will start with the recipe 01, which is Cambodian chicken and ginger stir fry. In case you want to know and taste different type traditional foods, then you can give this food a try. So the first ingredient is ginger, and then I also add chicken dessert. This is how you do the dessert, so it's more delicious if you do it like this. You don't want to put like a whole piece in to cook. So you do all of it the same things to all the small pieces, so it takes a little bit of time, but it's gonna work. It's delicious. Now we go to chickens. So for chicken, for recommendation, you also can cut it into very small pieces for your preference. But for me, because I'm lazy, so I just gonna keep the big piece. And then I also need the garlic. Now we start with seasoning. First one is knorr for 1 spoon, sugar 1 spoon, fish sauce 1 spoon, oyster sauce 2 spoons, salt a little bit. And that's it. Put another stove and put the ginger in and stir it back and forth for like 15 to 20 minutes until it becomes really dark brown and no more water. Then we put another stove, put the garlic in. We stir the garlic back and forth until it becomes brown as well. It's gonna smell really well, really good. Then we put the chickens and our chicken dessert into the pan, and then we pour the sauce that we mixed earlier into that one. We put some water in. Keep stir back and forth. Probably about 30 minutes. It depends on how big your meat is. If you cut the meat into very small piece, it will be really fast. But for me, because I'm lazy, so my meat is quite big, so it takes me quite a bit long. So we stir it until it's become really dark brown, and then we put our ginger back and then stir it for a little bit longer. So make sure the water is not that too watery. We can keep adding water along the way if it's too dry, and at the end you can just put spring onions, depend on your preference, and we're done. And I guarantee it's really tasty. Thank you for watching my video.